my wonderful viewers, and welcome to a wonderful episode on Learn Yoruba Easily. For some while now, I know it's been a while I've been on this channel, for some time now I've been off the channel, and it has been for some reasons that are just beyond my power. But I'm glad that I'm back now. Maybe I will find maybe in one of these episodes that I'm going to release soon, I will explain in detail what really happened. But I'm glad I'm back, and I'm glad I'm seeing you again. And I know that this period things will be wonderful and fine and better. And I hope to release more videos, more than how I've been doing before. I have to be more consistent and persistent with it. And I hope that in this period you are going to enjoy every bit of everything we are going to do on this channel, Learn Yoruba Easily. So welcome back. I'm glad to see you again. Welcome. All right, welcome back, and my name is Tayo. So we are going to continue from where we stop at. Before we move to another topic entirely, it's important we round up on where we stop at. We have been on numbering for some time, and I think we stopped at number 30. We have started from number 1 down to number 30. All right, so but before we move further, it's important that we recap, or try and go back to where all the things we've done in numbering, just to summarize them. But if you have not watched the previous videos, you will not be able to follow us from where we are going to move on. But and it implies that it is important for you to go back and watch the previous videos. But if you have watched it, just stay back and let's move on as we go. All right, so let me just start from 1 to 30. 1 to 30. Recap. Okay. 1, ọ̀kan. 2, méjì. 3, mẹ́ta. 4, mẹ́rin. 5, márùn. 6, mẹ́fà. 7, méje. 8, mẹ́jọ. 9, mẹ́sàn-án, and 10, mẹ́wàá. Now that is from 1 to 10. So 11 is mọ́kànlá. 12, méjìlá. 13, mẹ́tàlá. 14, mẹ́rìnlá. 15, márùndínlógún. 16, mẹ́rìndínlógún. 17, mẹ́tàdínlógún. 18, méjìdínlógún. 19, mọ́kàndínlógún. And 20, I said 20 is what? Ogún. 21, mọ́kànlélógún. 22, méjìlélógún. 23, mẹ́tàlélógún. 24, mẹ́rìnlélógún. 25, márùndínlọ́gbọ̀n. 26, mẹ́rìndínlọ́gbọ̀n. 27, mẹ́tàdínlọ́gbọ̀n. 28, méjìdínlọ́gbọ̀n. 29, mọ́kàndínlọ́gbọ̀n. And 30 is ọgbọ̀n. Okay, so I think that was where we stopped at. Yes, we stopped at 30. So we want to move further a bit before we now move to another topic entirely. Today we are moving straight from 31 to 40. 31 down to 40. And you remember I said 30 means ọgbọ̀n. 30 means ọgbọ̀n. 31 means 30 plus 1, or 1 is added to 30. And I remember I said 1 is what? ọ̀kan, isn't it? So it implies that 31 will be what? ọ̀kànlélọ́gbọ̀n. That is, 1 is added to 30. ọ̀kànlélọ́gbọ̀n, or you say ọ̀kànlélọ́gbọ̀n. And when you are using it, it becomes mọ́kànlélọ́gbọ̀n in the usage. mọ́kànlélọ́gbọ̀n. Now 32 means 2 is added to 30, or 30 is increased by 2. And it implies that, remember I said 2 is what? AG, or we say meji. All right, so it implies that 32 is what? AG le logmon. AG le logmon. And when you are using it, it becomes meji le logmon. That is, 2 is added to 30. Remember, 30 is what? Ogbon. Are you guessing that now? It's just the former method we have been using from down to, I think, from 20 downward, like that, and we have been adding and also decreasing. When we get to a particular time, we remove. When we get to a particular time, we add to it. So 30 is ogbon. 31 is mokon le logbon. That is 1 added to 30. 32 is meji le logbon. That is 2 is added to 30. Remember I said le implies addition. All right, 33 now. 33 will be what? 3 added to 30, or 30 is increased by 3. And remember I said 3 is what? Eta, or you say meta. Now it implies that 33 will be what? Eta le logbon. Eta le logbon. That is 30 is increased by 3, or 3 is added to 30. And when you are using it, it becomes metalelogmon. Metalelogmon. All right, good. I want to believe you are getting that. Okay, good. If you have followed the previous video, I know you will not have problem in understanding this one, because it's just the same pattern to which the previous one follow, that this one is also following. All right, the next number now is 34. 34 means 4 is added to 30, or 30 is increased by 4, which implies addition. That means 30, and I said 4 is what? Eri or Mary. It implies that 34 will now be eri le logbon. That is 4 added to 30. Eri le logbon. And when you are using it, it becomes Mary le logbon. Mary le logbon, or you say Mary le logbon. Do you get that now? Okay, good. I'm glad you are understanding it and following it. But if you have any question, if it's not that clear, you can put your comments below or ask me your question directly. I'll be ready to answer you straightforward. Yeah. So now we are moving to 35. 35 is from 35 down to 39 is quite different from 31 to 34. Just like it is in 25 to 29, it's also the same pattern at which 35 to 39 will follow. So firstly, before we can know what 35 is, we must know what 40 means, because we are going to remove 5 from 40. From 35 to 39, it implies we are subtracting. Do you get that now? We are removing. Now 40 is ogoji. Ogoji. What did I say? Ogoji. All right, good. If 40 is ogoji, that means 35 will be 5 less than 40, or 40 is reduced by 5. 5 less than 40, or 40 is what? Reduced by 5. All right, good. That is equals to 35. All right, so if we are going to use this in Yoruba now, and we know that 40 is ogoji and 5 is arun. Remember we said 5 is what? Arun. That means 40 will be arun din logoji. Arun din logoji. Din in that context implies subtract or remove. Arun din logoji. That is 40 is reduced by 5, or 5 is removed from 40. That is arun din logoji. And when you are using it, you say marun din logoji. Marun din logoji. Yeah, that is 35. Now 36. follow the same way. And 36 means 4 is removed from 40, or 40 is less than 40 is reduced by 4. Do you get it now? 40 reduced by 4 equals to 36, and when you remove 4 from 40, it also equals to 36. And remember, we said 4 is Mary and 40 is Ogoji. It implies that 36 will be what? Erin din logoji. Erin din logoji. And when you are using it, it becomes Mary din logoji. Mary din logoji. That is 4 is removed from 40 and it equals 36. That's good. I'm glad you are understanding it now. All right, the next one number is 37. 37 implies 3 less than 40. 3 less than 40, or 3 is removed from 40, or 40 is reduced by 3. All what I've said equals to 37. And 3, remember we said 3 is what? Eta. 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 That is 37 will now be what? Eta din logoji. Eta din logoji. Eta din logoji. And when you are using it, it becomes meta din logoji. Meta din logoji. Meta din logoji. Do you get it now? Very simple and straightforward, isn't it? All right. Okay, 38, 38, 38. So try and guess. What do you think 38 is going to be? Okay, let me just tell you. Let me tell you. I know you have got you've guessed an answer in your mind. Okay, let me try and prove to you whether you are correct or not. So if you get it, that implies you have been following. But if you not get it, don't worry. Another time you are going to get it. All right. Okay, 38. You know, 38 implies 2 is removed from 40, or 40 is reduced by 2. And remember I said 2 is what? AG or meji. All right. And 40 is ogoji. So what does that mean? That it means AG din logoji. AG din logoji. And when you are using it, it means meji din logoji. So how many of you get it? If you know you get it without spying, without then let me put it down below that you got it. But if you don't get it, don't worry. Next time it's another chance for you. All right, the next one is 39. 39 means 1 is removed from 40, or 40 is reduced by 1, or 40 less than 1, isn't it? All right, good. So it implies that 39 will be, and I said 1 is okon, or you say okon. Now 39 will means okon din logoji, or you say okon din logoji. Okon din logoji. And when you are using it, it implies, it means mokon din logoji. Mokon din logoji. And that is 39. As easy as that. All right, the last one is 40. And we have been saying 40. What I've been saying 40 is something. What did I say 40 is? Is what? Ogoji. All right, that's good. 40 means ogoji. And okay, let me just say it from 31 down to 40 now. 31 to 40. I know some of you will be able to understand it very well now, isn't it? If you have any question, you can still ask me. 31 to 40. Let me say everything together now. 31 is what? Is all right, let me start. 31 means mọ́kàn lé lọ́gbọ̀n. That is 30 plus 1. Mọ́kàn lé lọ́gbọ̀n. 32 means méjì lé lọ́gbọ̀n. That is 30 plus 2. 33 means mẹ́ta mẹ́rìnlélọ́gbọ̀n, mẹ́tàlélọ́gbọ̀n. 34, mẹ́rìnlélọ́gbọ̀n, mẹ́rìnlélọ́gbọ̀n. And from 35 to 39, I said there's change in the rule. We have 35, which means 5 less than 40. We mean márùndínlógójì, sorry, márùndínlógójì. 36, we means mẹ́rìndínlógójì, mẹ́rìndínlógójì. 37, mẹ́tàdínlógójì, mẹ́tàdínlógójì. 38, méjìdínlógójì, méjìdínlógójì. 39, mọ́kàndínlógójì. And 40 is what? Ogójì. Clap for yourself, clap for yourself, clap for yourself, clap for yourself. So if you have understood everything we have been saying all this while on numbering, it implies that you have known numbering in Yoruba from 1 to 40. From 1 to 40. Now, what I'm going to do in the next video, we are going to just look in detail, not in detail, sorry. We are going to look in summary from 41 down to 100. I'll just try and summarize them from 41 down to 100, and we are going to stop on numbering for now. Another time we'll continue. We want to move to another topic after the next video. We'll leave some numbering and move to another thing entirely on your wonderful station, Learn Yoruba Easily. So I want to see you in the next video. I know I'm going to see you. There's no doubt about that. And I'll be glad to see you. See you in the next video. Yeah.